Navigating the complex world of aviation is challenging. Many different, sometimes even conflicting elements need to be taken into account for a flight procedure to be optimal. Our service exists to make this much easier. Our designer takes your needs and gathers all additional requirements. From ATC, the airport, and the users. Challenges of airspaces, such as restricted areas, are also considered. Keeping all those requirements and prerequisites in mind, the designer begins planning the procedure, considering terrain, obstacles, and traffic flow. This results in an efficient and safe flight procedure, incorporating all elements to create the optimal flight path. We improve usability, flow, safety, which also saves time and fuel to reduce the ecological footprint of air traffic. Our experienced designer team has a proven track record in one of the densest and most complex airspaces with challenging terrain.